Okay, so what have we learned? We have learned how to implement CA and where we are going to use it. Any website that provides security with SSL depends on a certificate for that. In a private network, the CA validates the identity of the certificate holder, and whether it's a user, a computer, or a network device, whatever, and confirms that the certificate has not been forged. This confirmation comes in the form of a digital signature. You can think of a signed certificate as your passport that you would show when passing through airport security, Miss Venezuela. Your passport proves your identity, and it is signed by a government agency, right? Now, the same really applies to certificates. They have your information, in the case of user certificates, and they are signed by CA. So, thus, digital certificates play an important role in providing security over LAN, WAN, and even wireless networks. Now, we will have a few examples of certificate usage to provide security for network communication.
Certificates are not only for internet usage, they are used widely in many areas of our network or networks. The easiest example we can start with is EFS. When a user selects the option to encrypt data on his computer, in fact, he or she is using a certificate for this application. The certificate holds the keys to encrypt and decrypt the data.
Right. And we often hear about VPN, virtual private networks. Mobile users use this feature to connect from anywhere in the world to their headquarters. A lot of people work from home or on the road. Moreover, company branches might also connect to the headquarters using VPN. VPN uses certificates to provide proper and secure authentication and encryption. All of your logins, Facebook, Hotmail, Gmail, doesn't matter, are all performed over SSL. When you see HTTPS instead of HTTP on the left side of the web address, it means you are using SSL. Thus, using a certificate ensures secure authentication.
Implementation of certificates is based on one of two available modes. In server certificate models, the certificate is given to an authentication system. When clients connect to the server for authentication, the certificate should be valid and signed from the CA in order to continue with the process. Any violation will result in a broken authentication if their certificate is suspicious. Clients will not trust the server or negotiate any credentials with it, of course.
Absolutely, and this model is often used on websites that use SSL. The second model consists of both ends having certificates, servers, and clients, and this is helpful when you want both of them to authenticate each other. This model is used with either VPN or IPsec.